how to transmute your sexual energy from a pornography habit into creating the life of your dreams. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh. Let me tell you how. Okay, in this Monday motivation video, I want to share with you that I know that for many men that they equate their sexual energy or their sexuality with how strong they are, how virile they are. Their strength and their manhood and their manliness get wrapped up in this sexual identity. I am here to tell you that you can be strong without being hypersexual. So we know that when people have a pornography habit that's consistent and frequent, nay, I say the word addiction, but when someone has to go back to pornography, it is because they have a compulsive hypersexuality. It's too sexual. You are too sexual and you're using this sexual energy in a very unhealthy way. And in doing so, you're perpetuating it. You're becoming even more sexual. So how do you transmute that energy? And this is from 1937 from Napoleon Hill's book, Think and Grow Rich. It literally becomes the energy of manifestation and attraction in your world. Taking that powerful energy and making it into the energy of desire, not for instant sexual gratification, but for the desire to get you on purpose and to create the life that you want. It can be done. So it needs to be done in basically 3 easy steps. And it's the steps of my program is to get intentional on what you want to create in your life. Figure it out. What is it? What would make you the happiest to be able to do all day long, every day, in your work, in your relationships, and in your hobbies? It doesn't have to be one thing. It's the life of your dreams. You can create a life that is so awesome to you, and you're putting your energy into creating that life and making it better and better in all these different aspects. There's no need, no room for you to escape and to numb out. You just don't need it. So you set the intention and then you create action steps towards that goal with full intention and desire and passion towards achieving the life of your dreams. When you do that, you raise the electrical energy in your brain and your body from this low energy of shame, which resonates at the frequency of 20, lust, which is a very low resonating frequency, and you raise that and you keep going up and you go up to love and joy and peace in the 500 to 600 range, which resonates at this beautiful energy field that will attract to you what you want. That's how you transmute that sexual energy into the energy that creates the life of your dreams. Now go do it. Set the intention, take one action step towards it, and then raise your energy by knowing that you deserve it and it's coming to you and you're going to receive it. Go get it. Okay, and if you want any help on that journey, reach out to me at drtrishleigh.com. I have some awesome programs at all different sizes and shapes to help you at no matter what level of need you're at. So go check out my website and remember, control your brain or it'll control you.